Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Described as the other half or better half, depending on who you speak to, all right? A lot of you recall Mani as Mani Bhai, which is very pleasant, and I guess his age shows that he's elder to a lot of people we associate with. That's fine. Some of you refer to him as, in fun times, as the Gandhi in the family. So if he's Gandhi, I'm Kasturba. I don't need to explain anymore what Kasturba went to in Gandhi's life. So, all right? I won't bore you with details, but I'm the Kasturba. But I am Dinar, and I thought, what can I say about Mani that I didn't want to bring any dirt out, because to be honest, I struggled to bring any dirt out on him. So I've got to tell you 3 things that most amazes me about Mani, no matter what time of the day or night it is, and all the time I've known Mani. And a lot of it has been covered by Bauji, and it's not like we colluded before talking. I think that just shows the sort of person Mani is. One thing, it doesn't matter who in the family has to leave at 4 a.m., a taxi is coming to pick up, or I have to go to the factory at 3 a.m. Mani will always be up, set the alarm, wake the person up, could be Anand, could be Rajnita, could be me. Make sure we have a cup of tea, make sure he comes to the door. He'll come to the taxi if I'm going, and I'm saying the taxi is coming to the door, you don't have to come, but no, regardless of that, he'll be at the door. He will say goodbye to the person, make sure we've texted to him. We wouldn't probably text him because we were disturbing him, but regardless of that, he will text us if we haven't texted him at 5:45 in the morning, but that's Mani for you. That comes so naturally to him. Oh, I don't think the other 3 members in the family don't quite do that when Mani has to leave at 4 or 5 in the morning. We say good night, have a good day, have a good trip, speak to you soon. And along with this sharing character that Mani has, comes in the kitchen as well. Doesn't matter how tired he is, if you're sitting at the table to eat, he will warm your roti and bring it to you one by one. We tell him the rotis are made, we tell him it's ready to eat. And if it's dosa in our house, we never eat together when we eat dosa, because the kids will eat. I would have been making the dosa, then I'd make Mani eat, then he'll make me turn the gas off, make me sit down, and he'll make the dosa, and he makes and I eat. So it just comes so naturally. We've had battles in our house just so that we can sit down and eat, because Mani would like to serve the food. Here's a stand. If anybody knows our kitchen well, you stand on the other side of the kitchen. If you're there, you serve, and if you're in the bar area or the breakfast bar area, you eat. So Mani always will take the role of sitting in the breakfast bar in the other side and make us sit on this side and serve food. It comes so naturally to him that it's amazing we have to have fights over who serves whom food in our house. So, that sounds silly, but that's true. The other thing that's absolutely amazing about Mani is the organizational skills. For a function like this today, we've had Excel spreadsheets in every computer in the house. We haven't quite had pivot tables yet, but we've had Excel spreadsheets. We've all had designated roles to play in this project management. We had a critical time part, and if we didn't do what we had to do, Mani wouldn't be happy. He wouldn't say anything, but he wouldn't be happy. So it was very difficult, and something that we would never assume to do is to plan a surprise party for Mani, because we would fail abysmally. There's no surprise that we can keep from this. So this is because he loves to organize. It could be even going to a picnic, and we have organizing to do as to which car, which picnic basket, who makes what. We don't have a spreadsheet for a picnic, but short of that. We went to Hawaii for a holiday to celebrate his birthday. We had several manila folders saying Hawaii day 1, day 2, Maui, what do we do, when do we do, which is the best price. Everything is sorted out. I just tag along. I know nothing. I just go to Hawaii, have a good time, and I came back. So that's Mani. He just loves organizing. So this party, so please don't thank the 3 members of the family. We've just done our bit today. He's done all the work for the person. There's several things I can keep talking about, but I think one that I should. Sorry? Well, you said it, but not so I didn't. That's it. Well, the third thing, if I had to, of the many things I had to choose from, the other thing that kind of amazes me is this discipline, which Bauji made a reference to. He's so disciplined with what he eats that it annoys me that I'd eat just to spite him. Because he'd say, no, I've eaten my roti. We haven't fried in our house in a long time, and that's not such a bad thing, but if I tend to go towards the cheap packet to go with my sambar and rice, he won't tell me not to eat, but he will say, maybe we should save this for another day. So, which means Lakshmi, stop eating. But he won't, because I would have told him to stop me from eating it, but he wouldn't quite tell me to stop me from eating it, but very subtly say, maybe we should stop now, save it for another day. But his own discipline in eating is just absolutely amazing. He likes a few sweet dishes, like he likes petha, which Sujata regularly refurbishes his stock of petha. He will eat 1/8 of a cube in petha one day and save the rest for the remaining 64 days left in the next 2 months. That's Mani. That amazing character actually quite annoys me, but I have to appreciate because not everybody's gifted with that feature. And I tried hard to think, I got to find some nasty or annoying qualities that he does have. And the only one I could really find was his laundry, his passion to laundry. He just loves the laundry so much that that's actually a good thing in the sense, like the reference Bauji made. He takes over the laundry. So it's I was in about 95, 96, Rajni was a baby, I was studying. So it just made sense for Mani to do the laundry. Since that day, since 96, I haven't done laundry in our house. Okay? And I'm not ashamed of saying it because every Sunday it's done, it's folded, it's put away. It's probably my biggest nightmare. So when he goes traveling, I hate weekends because I've got to do the laundry and I hate the whole process. So, and it's not very exciting, but all the wives and mums in this room will relate to doing the laundry. I'm blessed, I don't have to do the laundry in our house. I think regardless of all that, in the Iyer household, we don't have screaming matches. We just have monologues. I talk, Mani listens, especially when I'm angry. Okay? That's Mani's way of and when he gets cold, or I know he's like upset about something, but he doesn't get angry. So it's no fun having a screaming match because only I'm talking, so it's no fun. So it's kind of so I have learned over the years to also stop talking. So two people don't talk, then the silence kills me. So it's even more frustrating. So I talk louder. But anyway, it's not about me, it's about him. So regardless of all of that, all I can say is I couldn't have been luckier. I couldn't have been more blessed to have found a friend in Mani, a husband in Mani, a shoulder to cry on, somebody to whinge to about work and stuff like that we have to come home and talk to somebody. And be there for me all the time and be a great dad for the kids as well. So thank you, Mani. Happy birthday. All the very best from all.